Hi, my name is Jodi, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Throughout my journey, I've met some pretty interesting people, done crazy things, had heartbreaks, met the love of my life, laughed until I cried, traveled to over 64 countries, learned some pretty hard lessons. I've loved hard, lost, won, and then some. I'm a daughter, mother, wife, sister, best friend, costume designer, preschool teacher, senior food awards judge, Observer Style Woman of the Year awardee, secretary, television host, socialite, makeup artist, sales rep, model, and now YouTuber. Join me as I talk about everything from motherhood to makeup, style, lifestyle, and just about everything in between. Come along with me as I show you a glimpse into my crazy, hectic life. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Jodi. Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. Today, while you're doing slime? Okay, today we're going to do a proper video on how to make slime. And we're not going to make...
my mommy teach me how to make this, and this is glass, and this bowl is glass, and all of my Remy's sleeping, and she's very gonna wake up, and you're gonna say, "Here comes Remy."
That's what we're gonna say. So the last time we tried to make slime, it was a big fail. So I have another recipe here, and we're gonna try that today, and we're gonna do it, right? Okay, so I didn't want to use glue. Thanks for all the suggestions, but I didn't want to use glue, and I didn't want to use borax. So what we're gonna use, oh, yes, I know you want to use glue. We have some cornstarch here. Now, did you know that when you're measuring things, the cup one is for...
And this is some sparkly
like
juices.
Powders, and this is for everything except liquids. This is for liquids. Wait, let me just check that this is recording. Hold on.
Whoops!
This is not a failed video. This is not that shall be edited.
Mommy, the cover fell down.
It's okay. We're gonna do it. We're gonna do it. Hold on, wait. This is supposed to be a proper video. I'm just gonna make a little one.
Okay, Mommy.
Okay. So, this is supposed to be a proper video, but I didn't measure anything. Wonderful. This is great. So I just put some, we're gonna do it by, we're gonna eye it. So I have some water here. So what we're gonna do is, instead of adding the food coloring to the, hold on, you're not listening to the instructions. Instead of adding the food coloring to the cornstarch, we're gonna, yes, hold on, what, you're not listening, we're gonna color the water. We're gonna put the blue in the water. All right, so we're gonna use the food coloring and color the water. What color is that?
Blue.
Very good. These, wait. These are the food coloring things I got at Fontana, and they're really, really strong. So just a little goes a long way. I'm going to make my slime purple. And then we're gonna add the water to, yeah, but use a spoon. Want mommy help you? Okay. Okay, mix that and let's see how it comes together, and then we can add as we need, okay? Because you can always put more water in, you can't take the water out. There we go. Ooh. Mix. Looks like you need some more. Oh, mine needs more purple though. Maybe I shouldn't have taken off. Oh, you need more water. I think this is gonna work this time for sure.
I touched it.
You touched it?
Yes.
Mix. Yeah, that's the cornstarch. We're using 2 ingredients, cornstarch and water. Okay then. Oh, look, it's working.
What is not working though?
Yeah, let me help you with yours. Oh. Okay, you need a little bit more blue water. Just a little bit more. Ooh. Tell everybody what's happening. Tell them what we're doing. Remember, this is your channel.
This is my channel.
What are you doing? Tell everybody what you're doing today.
They're doing slime dough, but
are those called?
These are called bags.
It's toothpicks. Oh, look, Levi, it's working. We have a proper video today. It's not a fail video in any way. Okay, now I think this is good. Yes, this is sure. Pack away the toothpicks and let me put this out on the counter for you. That wasn't the instruction.
Mommy.
Yes, here.
Mommy, give me food. I don't want this.
Okay. You want to take it out and put it on the counter? That's it. We got it. That's slime. Ladies and gentlemen, that's slime with just 2 ingredients and a little food coloring. I don't know if you want to like include the food coloring as an ingredient. Okay. Oh, perfect. I'm not sure though if that means that because it's made out of cornstarch and water, if it won't stain. We have a rule in my house, no slime, because the slime stains. All right, let me check out my own now. This is my lilac colored slime. And this one looks like it needs a little bit more cornstarch because this looks too liquidy. How are you doing over there?
Good.
Yeah? What do you think of this slime?
Good.
Is this too liquidy? It's a little bit too liquidy. Let's put a little bit more. This is a good recipe.
I want to put my hand in it.
Hold on, let me make sure. I don't like the color of this though. It's not lilac, it's more like a, this looks like some kind of boring wall color. This looks like some boring Berger. Let me see. How's that?
Good.
Oh. Ooh. Alright. Wow, Levi.
It's like melted chocolate.
Yeah. Okay, this is exactly why I don't allow slime in my house. This is, alright, you can stay with it right here and play with it. I think it needs a little bit more cornstarch. Oh my gosh of goodness. This is disgusting. This is why the kids love it. Kids love it because the parents hate it. Ooh, good lordy. Okay, so just to do a recap, we got some cornstarch and then we colored our water. So instead of adding the food coloring to the mixture, we colored the water and then put your cornstarch in a bowl, in a glass bowl or metal bowl because you don't want it to stain like a wooden bowl or anything like that. And then you add your colored water as needed till you get the consistency. You don't want water on it? Oh, let me clean it up. Till you get the consistency that you like. Mine is a little bit more runny than Levi's own, which actually is a little bit cool, but yeah. And then we're going to play with it right here by the sink because as soon as Mr. Levi is finished, it's going down the drain, right? So what do you like about slime?
It's great.
Why is it so great though? Why is it so great?
I don't want this on the table. I said I want to mix.
You want to mix it in here?
Do that again because I don't want to.
But you want to make more?
Yeah.
Okay, well, we have time. So we have nowadays. All right, well, I want to make this a different, more, you know, brighter purple. All right, so what color do you want to make now?
That one.
This one? I can make the blue nice too, you know. Okay. And everybody, like and subscribe. No, look in the camera, like, make sure they like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe.
So, but I thought you wanted to make blue slime. Why you want my own? I was happy playing with my ugly colored grayish, boring Berger color.
My own.
Why you don't like your own?
Because I don't like this one.
Why? Actually, I think you could do it a little bit more water. So let me get it up off the counter and add some more water. Sykes. How come when Ryan made this it wasn't so messy? Eh? Hello? He's mesmerized by the slime. Hello? Okay. Woo. There we go. I got this one. I have blue slime though. I added more. Okay, let me make it a little bit more slimy. Cornstarch is like magic.
I need a little bit more.
No, yours is good.
No, mine is not good.
Really?
I need mine.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Don't bother flash your hand. No, man. Ready? Mix it up. Just a touch, just a touch, just a touch, just a touch, 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 touch. Get your hand out my bowl.
I need to make it big.
Blue slime everywhere, it's blue slime.
It's melted chocolate.
Melted chocolate, just try don't put it in your mouth. It's blue slime, everybody. Blue slime time. Alright everyone, easy little isolation active. I just bathed, stop, oh my gosh. That's it, we're done. Okay, thank you. Make sure you like and subscribe.
I'm not done.
Whoa! Okay, don't flash your hands.
Why did you get this?
Look at all them. Alright, I'll clean up. You play with the slime a little bit more. Let me know when you're done. You want a snack and play with some juice? Okay. What more can I say? That was very easy. Cornstarch and water. The trick was to color the water. And yeah, just 2 ingredients. And Levi's having a ball and making a mess. Alright. That's it, everybody. Bye! People think I'm sweet with this one.